A question one of my clients recently asked me is, hey, Parag, what kind of insurance do you have? And specifically, what kind of car insurance do you have? And what kinds of things do business owners and consumers generally not know about the type of insurance to get? So the purpose of this video is to answer that question for you. So firstly, when it comes to car insurance, the most important thing is to make sure that you've essentially maxed out your bodily injury coverage. This is the coverage that if you accidentally hit somebody and hurt somebody, this is what's going to help protect you and your personal assets. Look, the reality is if you don't have a lot in the way of personal assets, then you may not need the insurance, but generally speaking, this is a good investment because medical bills are so high, because the cost of pain and suffering to somebody as a result of a crash can go into tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars. It's extremely important that you get this coverage. Also, another coverage that you can stack on top of this is umbrella coverage that you can stack on for an additional $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, $5 million, $10 million plus to help protect you and your personal assets in the event that something catastrophic or unfortunate happens as a result of something that you did, or potentially even you letting someone borrow your car and they hurt somebody else. Another key coverage in your car insurance is making sure that you max out your uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. What this is this coverage helps you in the case that you or somebody driving your car gets hurt and injured by somebody who's uninsured or underinsured. And there's an increasing number of drivers who are either underinsured, meaning they don't have enough insurance to cover the crash, or they're uninsured, meaning they don't have any insurance at all. And if you don't have this coverage, then you could be out of luck if they damage your property or even hurt you or someone else in your car. So this is extremely critical coverage. And the good news is it's pretty cheap compared to other kinds of insurance. So if I were you, I'd personally max that out. Also, if you get that umbrella policy that I was talking about earlier, you can actually get coverage above and beyond the policy limits or the maximum that your car insurance offers. It will be a special rider, meaning something additional that you'll have to pay extra for, but I definitely recommend that you get it for you and your family. I would recommend that you get at least $1 million in uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage. Talk about this with your insurance broker or other insurance expert to see what's right for you and your family, depending on your assets. But me personally, I recommend that to all of my business owner clients. So that's something that's extremely important. If you're doing something like Uber, make sure that you've got the proper insurance coverage in place. Your normal insurance will not cover you in the event that you get into a crash when driving for Uber. Now, of course, Uber has its own insurance, but Uber's insurance is to cover Uber, not necessarily to cover you and your personal property, et cetera, that might have been damaged as a result of you driving for Uber. So this is extremely important. I'm attorney Parag, Amin, and I hope this video helps you.